Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you how to crochet the connected crossover stitch. It's a nice textured stitch that looks the same on both sides. I'm using worsted weight yarn and an H hook for my sample. To begin, chain 24, or any multiple of 4. Skip the first 3 chains, which counts as 1 double crochet. Then skip the next chain, which we'll use later. And in the next 3 chains, make 1 double crochet in each. 1, 2, and 3. Now go back to the skipped chain, and we'll make what's called an extended double crochet in it. Insert your hook into the skip stitch, then pull it up nice and tall. Proceed with making the normal double crochet stitch. You can see how it extends across the other 3 double crochet stitches. Skip 1 chain. Then in the next 3 chains, make 1 double crochet in each. 1, 2, and 3. In our skipped chain, make an extended double crochet stitch again. It's important to really draw up that loop nice and tall so it doesn't gather or distort the other stitches. Then skip a chain. And I'll do this again. Make 1 double crochet over the next 3 chains. And in that skip chain, reach over and make an extended double crochet stitch. You'll continue with this pattern across the row. At the end, if all went well, you'll have 1 chain remaining. Make a double crochet in it. Now for row 2, we'll chain 1 and turn our work. Make a single crochet in that very first stitch. From now on, we'll work our pattern over the 4 stitches. For the first 3 stitches, we'll make 1 single crochet in each. And 3. Then in that last 4th stitch, we're going to make an extended single crochet stitch. We'll insert our hook all the way into the bottom chain where it connects with the previous crossover stitch. Be sure to draw up your loop nice and tall so that it equals the row you are working on in height. And that's our connected crossover stitch. Over the next 4 stitches, we begin with 3 single crochet stitches. Then in that 4th stitch, we'll do our extended single crochet again. Draw up the loop nice and tall and finish the single crochet. And I'll do the pattern again. 1 single crochet over the next 3 stitches. Then in the last stitch, make an extended single crochet. Continue with this pattern across the row. At the end of this row, it's a little tricky. We'll make our last extended single crochet. But because it's close to the end, you'll have to hold on to that last stitch carefully. Then in the very last stitch, just make a single crochet. Now for row 3, I'm changing colors and making a chain 3, which counts as a double crochet along the side. Then skip a stitch. And in the next 3 stitches, make 1 double crochet. Then go back to the skip stitch and make the extended double crochet across it, really extending up the loop. And again, we skip a stitch and do our 1 double crochet over the next 3 stitches. Then we go back to the extended double crochet over the skip stitch. And I'll do this one more time. We skip a stitch, then do 3 double crochet. Then our extended double crochet. Continue with this pattern across the row. At the end, you'll place a double crochet in the very last stitch. Now for row 4, we'll chain 1 and turn. Make a single crochet in the first stitch. As we did in row 2, we'll make 1 single crochet over the next 3 stitches. And in that 4th stitch, we'll make an extended single crochet, drawing up the loop nice and tall. And again, 1 single crochet over the next 3 stitches. In that last stitch, make an extended single crochet. Continue with this pattern across the row. For all other rows, just repeat rows 3 and 4 until you are happy with the height of the work.
Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.